Trimming videos on TikTok is a game changer for anyone looking to create smooth, captivating content that grabs attention from the very first second. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started, mastering the art of trimming allows you to showcase your ideas, stories, or talents in the most engaging way possible. In a fast-paced world of short-form video, every moment counts, and that's where trimming steps in to make your content unforgettable. Let's start with the basics. When you open the TikTok app and tap the plus sign to start a new video, you have the option to either record footage right then and there or upload clips from your camera roll. No matter which route you choose, trimming is at your fingertips. Once your clip is loaded, you'll see a timeline at the bottom of your screen, a visual representation of your video's length. This is where the magic happens. To trim, simply tap on the timeline. You'll notice handles appear at both ends. Drag these handles inward to select the exact part of the video you want to keep. Maybe you want to cut out an awkward pause at the beginning or chop off the unnecessary ending. Perhaps you want to highlight just the most exciting scene. Trimming is all about refining your content, making sure only the best moments make the final cut. But why is trimming so important? On TikTok, the first few seconds are everything. Users scroll quickly, and you only have a brief window to capture their attention. Trimming lets you cut straight to the action, ensuring viewers see your strongest, most engaging moments right away. This leads to higher watch times, more likes, and better chances of going viral. Once you've made your trim, preview your video to see how it flows. If it feels snappy and holds your attention, you're on the right track. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes trimming just a second or two can make a huge difference in pacing and impact. But trimming isn't just about shortening, it's about storytelling. Every creator has a vision, and trimming helps you bring that vision to life. Want to build suspense? Trim your clip to reveal something unexpected at just the right moment. Need to fit a longer story into TikTok's time limits? Use trimming to condense your footage, keeping only the most important beats. For creators who upload multiple clips, TikTok's editing tools let you trim each one individually. Arrange your clips in the perfect sequence, then trim them so the transitions feel seamless. This level of control is what sets apart average videos from truly standout content. Don't forget, TikTok also offers features like splitting, where you can divide one clip into two, and adjusting clip timing to sync your edits with music or effects. Trimming is just the beginning of what you can do to polish your videos and make them shine. At Famety, we know the power of a well-edited TikTok. Our clients see the difference when their videos are tight, focused, and engaging from start to finish. And once your masterpiece is ready, we're here to help you boost its reach. Whether you need more likes, followers, comments, or shares, our services ensure your trimmed and polished content gets the attention it deserves. So next time you open TikTok, remember, trimming isn't just about cutting away, it's about shaping your story. Take control of your content, highlight your best moments, and watch your audience grow. With Famety by your side, your TikTok journey is just getting started. Let's make every second count.